Big data and the use of data science provides us with huge opportunities to drive forward advances in weather and climate science. The Transatlantic Data Science Academy is a partnership with the US National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration. The Met Office is working with them to address critical skills shortages by improving the pipeline and diversity of talent, which is required to support weather and climate science in the UK and in the US. I think the Academy is really exciting because that opportunity is developing an international training programme and skills exchange. And through this, shared learning and development and continuous professional opportunities will be put in place. It's also enhancing skills in 4 career pathways that include data science, data engineering, research software engineering, and data assimilation, as well as enabling innovation through joint projects and hackathon-style events.
You combine numerical model data with observations to try and obtain the best possible estimate of the atmosphere as it evolves through time. We then use this to help us forecast the weather. I spent a summer out in Boulder, Colorado at the Joint Center for Satellite Data Assimilation. I went out there to collaborate with a partner who was using a different method to me. We worked in person together to test and compare the 2 methods, and we were able to make a lot more progress than we would have done if we were doing it all virtually. I made the most of being out in Boulder and I went hiking in the mountains, which was amazing. It was really sunny, just had to sort of avoid the odd fast-moving afternoon thunderstorm. The best thing about the TDSA for me was to meet and to collaborate with women who are more experienced in the field than me. It made me feel a lot more confident in my job as a scientist. It made me feel more secure in who I am and coming back here to work.
I work regularly with colleagues in the US, but there's only usually a short period each day where our working hours overlap. So by doing a placement in person, I was able to develop a component of our data assimilation method more effectively while building connections with other scientists. It made me more confident discussing scientific problems, and that's definitely benefited my work at the Met Office. It was a really good opportunity for me to meet new people and make connections that will help me with my work now and in the future.
Advancing data assimilation is essential to improving our weather forecast. In support, the NOAA Weather Program Office is establishing a multi-university data assimilation consortium in the US. The consortium will foster collaboration, training, and shared expertise in partnership with the UK Met Office through the Transatlantic Data Science Academy. The Academy will work with successful applicants, including those from underrepresented communities, to advance data and support improvements in weather and climate modeling. By developing the next generation of data scientists, we will accelerate advances in forecast skill to help communities across the globe prepare for and mitigate the impacts of extreme weather events.
For me, it's about being fighting fit for the future. Due to climate change, we're experiencing more extreme weather around the world. So it's vital that we strengthen our capabilities to better predict storms, flooding, heat waves and droughts. This will help protect people and businesses from the effects of these events, ultimately saving lives and livelihoods.